Welcome to Tomato Pie, Monroe Township, New Jersey. Some of the best pizza you're going to find in Monroe Township. And welcome to the the monthly car show that he has in his parking lot. A lot of interesting cars here tonight. Old Plymouths, newer Vettes, Camaros, Pontiacs. It's nice to see all these people. It's nice to see all the cars. Brings back memories. It's also nice to get some good pizza. Let's see what we got over here. Hey, and this is the owner, Anthony. I'm going in to look at one of your pies. Hello, crew. Look at this pizza. Some of the best you're going to find. And this is my favorite, Jimmy Pie with lots of basil.